Today, I'm excited to talk about a truly innovative health and wellness product, ProLon. If you've been looking for a way to support your body through a safe, science-backed fasting protocol, then you're in the right place. Get 15% off ProLon using the link in the video description. ProLon is a breakthrough fasting mimicking diet designed to give your body the benefits of fasting without the stress of complete food deprivation. With its carefully formulated meal plan, ProLon provides your body with all the essential nutrients it needs while triggering the same beneficial cellular processes as traditional fasting. This means enhanced cellular repair, improved metabolism, and even better overall health, all while still enjoying delicious, nutrient-rich meals. What really sets ProLon apart is the research behind it. Developed by experts in nutritional science, ProLon is not just a diet, it's a comprehensive approach to resetting your system. Whether you're aiming to boost your energy levels, improve mental clarity, or simply kickstart your health journey, ProLon can help you achieve those goals with minimal disruption to your daily life. And now, I have some exciting news for you. For a limited time, you can get 15% off all ProLon products by using the exclusive link in the video description below. This discount makes it even easier to try out the ProLon program and experience its benefits for yourself. I highly recommend giving it a try, especially if you're curious about the benefits of fasting without having to commit to a full water fast.